around 4 p.m. till Monday around 10 a.m. morning 10 a.m. The bidding will be processed during this particular timing. So first thing what you need to do is you need to check how many numbers are available, which all numbers are already booked. For that you just go and click on the bidding updates, so you can see the state and select the RTO and select auctions. So I am belongs to Kerala, so I just wanted to search Kerala. So for that, yeah, I'm just typing Kerala here. Okay, see, okay, it selected here. Okay, now it will show. Okay, so now I have selected code, and out of that you can check okay how many numbers are already selected and which all vehicle. So but I'm just going to select all type here and just click on view. Okay, so you can see that these many numbers are already booked for the auction for this week, around 30 numbers. So you can see that yeah, people have booked different number according to their wish. So it is yeah, the first column it is a serial number, the second one is registration mark, like this is the registration, the opted number. I can see one good number here, 6696, and the reservation amount which they already paid is 3000. Okay, this is a very basic payment. The payment start from 3000, then it goes to 5000, then 25,000, 50,000, and 1 lakh. So there are particular fancy numbers like 1 which start from 1 lakh onwards, and other numbers will be like 777 will be 25,000, something like that. So here you can see, yeah, one of the person has booked 8700 with an amount of 3000. So one more person has opted for the same number, so he has bidded 1000 rupees extra, so it will be now 4000 rupees for this particular number. Others, all the number I can see only one particular person has bidded it, so it is good. So whoever booked those numbers may get that number by paying this amount. Okay, so this is the way to check which all numbers are already taken and already bidded. Okay, so now if you wanted to go and book one number, okay, so you just go here, go back here. Okay, go to the home page. Okay, then click on your username and password. You can create it like whatever you want. So just create one username and password. So I'll show you how to. Okay friends, so I have created the username and password and I have logged in. So once you logged in, you'll get a home page like this. So here you can see the different numbers I was discussed earlier. Yeah, 001, which will cost, the basic cost of this number is like 1 lakh. If somebody want, we can bid for this with 1 lakh as a basic starting of the bid. And if some people are interested in that, they will start joining you, and they will start bidding for a higher price. And the other numbers like 777, 999, 333, you need to pay a basic amount of 50,000. And other numbers 0005, 0007, this all like 666, these all numbers start with a basic bidding of 25,000. And the one which I'm going to explain here is the number which you want. Suppose like if you want a number which is your lucky number, or your date of birth, or your anniversary day, or your son's date of birth, anything you can choose it. So for that you need to go and click here, select a number selection. Okay, and you have to select here which RTO. So you can type anything like this. I'm just searching for code, or if you want any other one, like just select it. Okay, so here you can select anything what you want. So if you are from Palakkad, just type Palakkad here. Okay, you will get that. Okay, so I'll just show you how you are going to select it. Okay, so okay, I'm taking this as code. Okay, go here and which number you want. Okay, so if you wanted to search for now, I think in code it is going on like K11 BT 8000 series is going on. So we can search any fancy number or any number which you want. Okay, just click here. Okay, okay, I'm just checking. Okay, so since today, unfortunately, I started recording on Sunday. So Saturday from 4 p.m. Indian time IST to Monday morning 10 a.m. IST, we will not be able to bid any numbers. Sorry, not bid. We will not be able to check any numbers. Why means the bidding time is between 4 p.m. Saturday to Monday 10 a.m. So on this particular time, we will not be able to check the availability of the numbers. So after like 10 a.m. Monday, you can check it. So you can just type here any of your number, any of the number which you want, either your girlfriend, like date of birth, or your lucky number, anything, and click on here check availability. So once you click on check availability, if it is available, it will show that particular number below here. If it is not available, it will let you know that this particular number is not available. Somebody is already bidded that number, or this particular number is already taken by someone. So if you are ready to bid for that number, suppose for an example, you opt for like 6699, and somebody else is already bidded for 3000 rupees, so you can also go for that by paying 4000 rupees. So that is your wish. So this is the way to check the availability of the number, which I will show you in my second video, and along with how to pay the amount, and how to book a number, and how to go for registration. I will show it on my next video. Thank you everyone for watching this.